What's good, everybody? It's Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you the different types of carpet padding that the marketplace offers and which one you should use in each scenario. So we're going to go with the cheapest to, in my opinion, the best, and then go ahead and make judgment from there on what would work for you and your particular installation needs. So the first one here, this is the 3/8 4-pound padding. Some people call it a 3.5-pound padding. This is the cheap of the cheap. Now, if you're already in the business, you know you could buy this for about $1 to $1.10 a square yard. If you're a retail consumer, you're gonna pay about $1.50 a square yard for this. It comes in 40-yard rolls. And like I said, super cheap. This is basically for rental properties, or if you're just looking to polish a place up, put some fresh pad in it, you know it's gonna burn out in 2 to 5 years, and that's all you're looking for. So this is a great product if you're looking to save money, dress up a rental, dress up your house and flip it, whatever the case is, and move on. You're not looking to invest a whole lot. Now, the next one here is the 7/16 6-pound padding. Decent padding, not the top of the line, but I think it's excellent for bedrooms. And we're actually going to circle back to this and drop a little knowledge bombs on the 6-pound padding. Overall, not a bad pad at all, though. You could pay roughly $2 to $2.75 a yard, depending upon, you know, if you're a retail consumer versus a wholesale buyer. This is a fantastic pad for bedrooms, B-class neighborhood type flips, or if you're just, you know, same thing, you're a busy household, you got a lot of kids, and you know you're gonna swap your carpet out every 5 or so years, you can go with the 6-pound padding and be fine with that. The days of keeping carpet for 10 to 20 years, it doesn't exist anymore. We're all busy, we destroy stuff, and we swap it out fast. So 6-pound, good mid-grade padding that you'll get a decent amount of life out of. The next one, this is the 7/16 8-pound pad. Now everybody's hip to 8-pound padding. So we're actually gonna show you two different kinds here. So the first one, this is just a standard rebound padding with a netting on top. Something like this, $250 to $350 a yard, depending upon where you're shopping. If you're in the big box stores though, $7 a yard for this product. That's where they make their margins. So you see all the advertisements, free installation, you know, carpet at wholesale, blah, blah, blah. Padding is where they hit you over the head and make up for all those losses. So that's your little education piece there. 8-pound, 7/16 padding, great pad, lasts a long time, definitely helps the life of the carpet, and named off those price points here. But here is an upgrade to that. This is actually, it's actually a 3/8 8-pound padding, and the 7/16 is also available in this option, but it has a spill block barrier. What's cool about this is if you have, you know, people being reckless, spilling drinks on it, or if you have pets that have a lot of accidents on the pad, this will prevent it from soaking into the padding and holding odors. It actually just stays in the carpet, so you can extract it, clean it, and keep the life of the carpet up. Now, one myth I want to debunk on this: 8-pound paddings. Everybody says, I want an 8-pound pad because I want to be walking on a cloud, yada, yada, yada. It's the best stuff out there. And it is a great padding without a doubt. But the walking on a cloud comment is where people get it wrong. This pad is so dense that you don't get that actual cush effect to it. And that's where a lot of people, they get it confused. They think if they buy an 8-pound pad, they're walking on a cloud, and then it actually feels hard. A lot of times if they buy like a mid-grade carpet, throw an 8-pound pad under it, they're still not getting that effect. If you want the cloud effect, you're actually going to find it in the 6-pound pad because it has a little more give to it there. You know, it's not as dense. Still a good padding, but if you're looking to walk on clouds, you actually want to invest in a 6-pound versus an 8-pound. So those are my tips on a quick overview of the carpet padding in the industry and what you can expect to pay for that. Actually, this one here, I don't know if I named off pricing on this. 4-ish range, a yard is what you should be paying for, $450. Retail big box stores, they're really going to get you on something like this. So just something to keep in mind when you're shopping for padding. Comment below with any questions about the flooring industry. I'll create a video covering them just for you. Get in on the DIY toolkit giveaway. We grab a random subscriber every week and send them some cool tools. Just go stop by CarpetExpertBlueprint.com. Tap the subscribe button and sign up there, and you might be the lucky winner for that. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next video.